Beautiful warm silk saree with all over butta and contrast concept. And that's the first color. It's a beautiful wine shade, comes along with the peacock motif border on either side of the saree. All over the body you will get this floral small buttas. Beautiful warm silk saree. It's a premium warm silk, comes along with the self color border. It's a peacock style woven zari border on either side of the saree, and across the body you will get this beautiful tiny floral woven concept. And that's the beautiful pallu. It's a rich pallu for the saree, and this saree comes along with the self color blouse piece, and that's the matching blouse piece for the saree. All over the blouse body you will get this floral buttas, and that's the beautiful zari border for your sleeves. We have 9 more color shades to be showcased in this video. All these sarees are priced at 1799. Please log into our website www.nidarshanasarees.com or download our app to place the order for these sarees. With this, let's quickly check out the other colors.